Biomagnification means toxins get more concentrated as you move up the food chain. It's not just one animal getting sick, it's a toxic buildup across trophic levels. Rachel Carson's Silent Spring exposed this with DDT, a pesticide once widely used. Let's see how biomagnification kicks in. First, plankton absorb tiny amounts of DDT from water. Small fish eat hundreds of plankton. Now they carry more DDT. Large fish eat many small fish. DDT levels rises again. Top predators like eagle eat large fish over time. DDT reaches toxic levels. Carson revealed how DDT caused birds to lay eggs with thin shells, leading to population crashes, not from direct poisoning, but from accumulated toxins. And it's not just DDT. Mercury builds up in tuna and swordfish. PCBs harm killer whales' immune and reproductive systems. Biomagnification shows how small pollutants can have massive impacts. Understanding it is key to protecting our ecosystems and ourselves.